Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur English Medium channel, guys. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session what we have designed for you for the mains preparation, CGL mains preparation, which is going to happen after a few days. So here I am with some more questions. We have done already geometry part 1, part 2, part 3. So we are going to proceed now for geometry part 4. So come on guys, do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining. A very good afternoon to all. Very good afternoon to all. Great. Great to have you all over here. Haro Pragati Sri Lakshmi. Okay. I think I would be clearly audible, visible, yeah? So let's quickly see what we have done yesterday or maybe some days ago. This was done. I remember it. Yeah, that was also done. Now we have to start from here. We have to start from here, guys. Some more important questions. Hello, Harika. Very good afternoon, Harika. Please do share it across Harika and Pragati. Please do share it across different platforms, Telegram channels, WhatsApp study groups, so that others can also join us quickly. Okay, we are going to move ahead with the questions now. Hello, Shrivani. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all. Okay. Okay, so excited to have you all over here. Come on. Okay. ABCDEFGH is a regular octagon. Octagon having 8 sides. Inscribed in a circle with center O. What is the ratio of angle OAB to AOB? Yeah, interesting one. Interesting one. ABCDEFGH is a regular octagon. ABCDEFGH is a regular octagon. Okay, cool. Now, inscribed in a circle. If you want to make the circle, you can, otherwise not required. If you want to make the circle, you can, otherwise not that much required. However, draw it. It will look good. It will look good, yeah? Center O. What is angle AOB? What is angle AOB to angle OAB? Where is OAB? Oh, OAB, same. Wow, what an easy one. What a easy one. Guys, central angle is divided into 8 equal parts. Central angle is divided into 8 equal parts. So 360 divided by 8. 45. So angle AOB is 45. Angle AOB is 45. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So angle opposite to them would also be equal. So angle opposite to them would also be equal. If one is 45, another is alpha, then you will say, sir, 2 alpha plus 45 is 180. 2 alpha is 135. So alpha is 135 divided by 2. So angle OAB is 135 divided by 2. Is it perfectly clear? Is it perfectly clear? Both the angles we have find out. Come on, tell me. Is it perfectly clear? Both the angles we have find out. Do let me know by the help of the comments, guys. Then only I will get to know it, that you are aware of it. Yeah? Do let me know by the help of the comments. Okay. So both the angles are known now. OAB is 135 divided by 2. And AOB is 45. 3 by 2 is the answer. 3 by 2 is the answer. Come on, tell me. Perfect. Yeah. Absolutely great. Absolutely great. Harshit, well done. Next question of the day. Again, very important questions are going to come. Very important questions are going to come. Okay. I'm watching your comments and seeing that who is giving the first answer. PQRST is a regular pentagon. PN and Q2 intersect at S. What is the value of angle TXR? PQRST is a regular pentagon. PQRST is a regular pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. PQRST. A pentagon has 5 sides. PR and Q2, PR and QT intersect at X. What is the value of angle TXR? What is the value of angle TXR? Well done, Ram Gurjar. Well done, Ram Gurjar. Okay. Guys, what is each interior angle of a pentagon? Each interior angle of a pentagon is 108. Each interior angle of a pentagon is 108. Yeah, great. So, if this is 108, what is other two? Both are equal, sides are equal. 72 divided into 2 equal parts, 36. This is 36, this is 72. Same is going to happen here as well, 72. This is complete angle, 108. You can find out the remaining one. If you want to ask me once again, you can. If you want to ask me once again, you can. Yeah, hello, those who have joined. So, one angle is 108. Another is 72, another is 72. So, what is the last angle? X. It's a quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral. 180 plus 72 plus X is 360. So X is 180 minus 72. 100% clear to all? You can let me know by the help of the comments. Yeah. 100% clear to all? You can let me know by the help of the comments. The only crucial point was this. Sides equal. So if this is 108, these two angles are equal. After 108, 72 is there. Divide into 2 equal parts, 36 each. This was the only crucial point. Okay, Bacha, you have given the wrong answers? Huh? I just noticed that you have given the wrong answers. Is it like this? Okay. Chalo, no worries. Yeah, no worries. Because D is the correct answer, not the C. 108 is the correct answer, not the C. Oh, where are others, guys? Please do share it so that others will also join us very fast. Oh, Harika, don't. Harika, Ram, Harshit, please don't do this error. I have a huge expectations, yeah? I had a huge expectations from all of you. This should not be done. This should not be done. Bhargavi and all others. Number of diagonals. Okay. First thing is that exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree divided by number of sides. First thing is exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree divided by number of sides. Hello, Madhuri. Okay. So, exterior angle, so number of sides is going to be 360 degree over exterior angle. Which is number of sides is going to be 15, 2 ja 30, 15, 4 ja. Number of sides are coming 24. Number of sides are coming 24. Yeah. Now, there is a formula of number of diagonals. Number of diagonals is n into n minus 1 divided by 3. भाई काफी दिनों के बाद लिख रहा हूँ, so I'm just missing it a bit here. I'm just missing it a bit. Let me cross check it. Yeah, let me cross check it. N into n minus 3 divided by 2. N into n minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. N into n minus 3 divided by 2. So, 24 into 21 divided by 2. 12 into 21. 12 into 21. 12 into 21. So number of diagonals are known, number of sides are known. What is the ratio? 24 ratio 12, 21. Okay. Different question. This is another polygon. This is another polygon. This is another polygon. Yeah, formula is correct. N into n minus 3 divided by 2. Yeah. But this polygon is different. Its diagonals are already given. So 77 is equal to capital N into n minus 3 divided by 2. Capital N into n minus 3 divided by 2. Yeah. This polygon is different. So 154 is equal to n into n minus 3. Now, this is the multiple of 11. This is the multiple of 11. Think of two factors in which one is 11, and another is something so that it can make 154. So I am thinking about 14 cross 14 minus 3, 11. I am thinking about 14 cross 14 minus 3, 11. So number of sides are 14. So number of sides of another polygon are 14. Number of sides of another polygon are 14. For the first 24, for the second 14, ratio. Okay. That diagonal is this diagonal is being mentioned first. So for the diagonal it is 14. And for the non-diagonal exterior angle it's 24. 7 ratio 12 is the answer. Please do watch out. If there are any issues, ask me. If there are any issues, ask me. These are two different polygons. For the one polygon, this information is given. For the another polygon, this information is given. From here, we find out the number of sides of the first polygon. From here, we find out the number of sides of second polygon. Now, it is being asked about number of sides of this polygon upon number of sides of this polygon, 7 by 12. Is it perfect? Come on, tell me. Number of sides of this polygon upon number of sides of that polygon. It's 14 by 24, 7 by 12 is the ultimate answer. If it is clear, please do raise your thumbs ups. so that I will get to know and I will move ahead without any baggage. Okay. So a lot of questions of polygon and interesting questions are coming. Again, very important for mains. Come on, do it. Expecting the answers, at least one before I answer it. Expecting the answers, at least one before I answer it. P is a point outside a circle 26 meters away from the center. A second PAB is drawn such that intersect at point A and B. PB known, PA known. What is the radius of the circle? P is a point outside the circle. P is a point outside the circle. 26 meters away from the center. A second PAB is drawn. Such that it intersects at point A and B. PB known as 32. PB known as 32. PA known as 18. This distance is also known. It's 26. Assume this point as C. And extend this line till D. Samiksha, Priyavrta, well done both of you, bacha. Harika as well. Okay. What we have read? We have read whenever the 2 seconds are drawn to the circle, PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Whenever 2 seconds are drawn to the circle, PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. PA is 18, PB 32. What is PC? From here to here, the distance is 26. From here to here, the distance is 26. This distance is 26. If I assume this R, then this is 26 minus R. If this total is 26 and this is R, then this is 26 minus R. So PC is 26 minus R. And what is PD? PD is 26 plus R. And PD is 26 plus R. Interesting concept. Now the question is gone. So 18 into 32 is equal to, what is 26 ka square? 676 minus R square. Okay. 18 ka is, oh, not 18. 3 2 just 6. I think 576. 576 is equal to 676 minus R square. R square is 100. R is 10. Radius can't be negative. Radius is the distance, it can't be negative. So we will take the positive R. Radius is the distance, it cannot be negative. So we will take the positive R. Is it clear to all? Come on guys, do let me know after you have the clarity over this concept. It's 100% going to come. Huh? Ek hota hai na? 100% going to come. So this is in that category that it is 100% going to come. Okay? Because this total was 26. Okay, chalo, great. One more, give me the answers. One more, give me the answers quickly. Yeah, one more, give me the answers quickly. Yeah, now it's the exact copy of the previous question. Now it's the exact copy, exact replica of the previous question. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Okay. PC, PD. If PO is given 14, then PC is 14 minus R and PD is 14 plus R. Then PC is 14 minus R and PD is 14 plus R. So PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. PA 10, PB 16, PC 14 minus R, PD 14 plus R. 160 is equal to 196 minus R square. R square is 36, R is 6. They are asking the diameter of the circle. So if radius is 6, then diameter is 12. Please do find out. Any issues? Any problems whatsoever? So one question is going to come from here. I hope all of you will made it correctly. Okay? Well done, Samiksha, Pragati, Harshit, Harika, Priyavrata, Ram, Harika, Harshit, and all. One question is going to come from here, and I'm expecting each one of you to make it correctly. If you want more questions from me over Pentagon, polygons, please do tell me. I will include more questions. But guys, no error whatsoever at any cost. Yeah, no error whatsoever at any cost. However, how much questions you want with me, ask it yourself. It's your right. I will give it to you. I will provide it to you. But don't do the error in the examination. Okay. Two identical circles intersect so that their centers and the point at which they intersect form a square of side 2. Find the portion that is common to both. Find the portion that is common to both the circles. Expecting the answers? Two identical circles intersect so that their centers, identical circles, very good, identical circles, so that their centers and the point at which they intersect forms a square. Is it looking a square? Yeah, it's looking more or like a square. Yeah. A tilted square, okay, of side 2. Find the portion that is common to both the circles. Find the area of this portion. Find the area of this portion. Find the area of this portion. The situation is like 2. Okay. What is the each interior angle of a square? Each interior angle of a square is 90. Can I say this is an arc of 90? Can I say this is an arc of 90? So what is the area of this arc? What is the area of this arc? 90 by 360, 1 by 4. 90 by 360, 1 by 4, pi r square. Pi. The area of this arc is pi. There is one more arc like this. There is one more arc like this. So now area of both the arcs is going to be 2 pi. Area of both the arcs is going to be 2 pi. Now, when you have added both the arcs, this is the thing which you have added 2 times. This is the thing what we have added 2 times. Okay? So, if you subtract this portion, then now it's a complete square. It's a complete square whose area is 2 ka square 4. So area of this portion is 2 pi minus 4. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. I can explain it once, twice, thrice, as much times as you want. Clear? Perfect. Let's take a revise from here. The opposite way of dealing with it. Is square area minus 2 times the sector area is the area of this portion. This portion is square area. Yeah. Now, if you subtract 2 sectors out of it, it is going to come. So, 2 sector area. Square area is 2 ka square 4. Or you can say 2 sectors minus a square. Because 2 sector is a bigger area. Na? 2 sector is a bigger area. Because it will come. So 2 sector minus a square. Sector area was pi because it's an angle of 90 degree. So sector area was 90 by 360 over pi r square. 1 by 4 into pi 4 pi. I hope it would be very, very clear now. There is no issues whatsoever. There can't be any issues whatsoever. Yeah? There can't be any issues whatsoever. Yeah? Okay? Let's move on. Then that would be a case specific, Ram. If you learn it, that would be a case specific. Yeah, I can make this question as well, na? I can make this question as well. However, this would be applicable here as well. You remember it as twice of sector minus square. Twice of sector minus square. Okay. Because I can form a different sector as well. I can form a 60-degree sector as well. And I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say. A quadrilateral is circumscribed, means quadrilateral is outside. Circumscribed means outside. Inscribed means inside. Circumscribed. Circumscribed means outside. Inscribed means inside. AB 7, 6.5, 7.4. What is D? Guys, whenever the arrangement is like this, the property is that sum of opposite sides are equal. 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 Can anyone tell me what is the logic behind it? The logic behind it is again tangent theorem. Tangent theorem. So AB is 7. Yeah, CD is 7.4, BC is 6.5. So what is DA? 14.4 minus 6.5 is DA, which is about 0.9. Where is 0.9? 7.9. Yeah. 0.4 minus 0.5 is 0.9. The proof lies over here. The proof lies over here. Let's suppose this is P, then this is also P. This is Q, then this is also Q. This is R, then this is also R. This is S, then this is also S. What is the sum of opposite sides? P plus Q plus R plus S. And what is the sum of these two opposite sides? P plus Q plus R plus S. So they are equal to each other. चलो प्रूफ भी हो गया. ठीक है. Proof is also done. Yeah. Great. Great. Next. Without options. Let's see how many of you answer it. Yeah, mains is on a single date only, I think. Yeah, mains is on a single date only. The paper of that is really good, yeah. No normalization at least. This is a very good step taken by SSC for the past two mains. That mains they are conducted in a single shift so that no normalization, no unfair advantage to anyone. Same question, same paper. A very good opportunity to all. A very good opportunity to all. Answer can come anything, yeah? Answer can come anything. ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Chalo, great. AB is parallel to DC. Its diagonal intersect at P. Its diagonal intersect at P. Its diagonal intersect at P. AP 5 minus X. PC 5X minus 3. BP 2X plus 3. And DP 6X minus 1. Whenever guys these kind of diagonals intersect, whenever diagonals intersect like this, there is a formation of similar triangles. Vertically opposite angle, adjacent interior angle, alternate interior angle. So these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Side opposite to single, 6x minus 1. Side opposite to single, 2x plus 3. Side opposite to double, 5x minus 3. And side opposite to double, is 5x minus 1. So 6x minus 1 into 5x minus 1 is equal to 5x plus minus 3 upon 2x plus 3. If the value of x is coming complicated, no issues. Only delivering the concept was important. Only delivering the concept was important. If you do not want to find out the value of x, no worries, guys. However, if you should, I would be really happy. Now, if you can remember certain things, then you can write this directly, that the product of these sides is equal to the product of these sides. So you can write 5x minus 1 into 6x minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 3 into 6x 2x plus 3. Is it helpful? The product of left-hand side sides, the product of these two sides is equal to the product of these two sides. The product of these two sides is equal to the product of these two sides. Can you remember it? Sure. Fine. Great. So then you can write it directly. If you want to solve it, 30x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 10x square minus 6x plus 15x minus 9. Solve it, yeah. It would be quadratic, yeah. So 30x square minus 11x plus 1 is equal to 10x square plus 9x minus 9. Okay, I have changed the data of the question. So if the value is not coming perfect, no worries. I have changed the data of the question. So take this over here, 20x square. Take this over here, minus 20x. Take this over here, plus 10. Is the same quadratic you are forming? Is the same quadratic you are forming? If it is still here, then you can skip it till here. Okay, guys, I have changed the values. That is why the value might not be coming that much great because of the issues. I want to change the question, so I have changed the values. However, if you will find it out, you will by the Dhanacharya formula. You can find it out. You can find out by the Dhanacharya formula. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. Oh my God. That is coming negative imaginary, but no issues. Yeah, that is coming negative imaginary, so no issues. The only purpose of telling this is The only purpose of telling this is that this is the way to solve it. The only purpose of telling it is this. Here is this. Next. The area of an isoscalene trapezium is 176. Height is 3 by 11 of the sum of the parallel sides. Again try it, guys. Again try it. The concept is important only. Wow. Oh, that is a great function. The concept is only important. Okay, make it 7, yeah? Make it 7. Make it 7. Height is 3 by 11 of the sum of parallel sides. If the ratio of the length of parallel sides are 4 and say 4K and 7K, height is 3 by 11. Height is 3 by 11 of sum of parallel. 3K. 3K. Okay? Height is 3K. This is also 3. If this distance is 4K, or you can say 4, keep it K, and total is 7K, this is also going to be 4K. How much is remaining after 4K? 3K. How much is remaining after 4K? 3K. Divide into 2 equal parts. 3K by 2, 3K by 2. That was the ultimate concept for which I have taken this question. That was the ultimate concept for which I have taken this question. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all, bacha? Is it clear to all? What is the length of the diagonal?
Rahul, bro. Rahul.
The length of the diagonal is 3K ka under root square plus 3K plus 1.5, or you can say 4 plus 3 by 2, 11 by 2 K ka whole square. For finding out this, what is required? The value of K. For finding out this, what is required? The value of K. And for finding the value of K, this data is given. 176 is equal to half into sum of parallel sides. 11K. 11K into height. 11 1 ja 11, 11 6 ja 66. 32 is equal to 3K square. Again, K is not becoming a perfect square. No worries. I have changed the values. Only the concept was important. Clear? I will take the exact questions based on them as well. Okay. Generally, it will come out to be a perfect square. If I take it 2, so K will come out to be 4. If I take it 2, then K will come out to be 4. then K will come out to be 4. Four two ja 8 square plus 4 22 ka square. When you solve it, you will get the answer. When you solve it, you will get the answer. Clear, guys? Clear to all? Come on, tell me. Clear to all? Come on, do tell me. Only the concept was important. Only the concept was important here. ABCD is the trapezium, AB is parallel to DC. ABCD is the trapezium, AB is parallel to DC. AB 15.6. The length of the line segment joining the midpoints of the diagonal. The length of the line segment joining the midpoints of the diagonal. Yeah, that was correct. Priyavrata, that is correct. The length of the line segment joining the midpoint of the diagonals. Let's suppose this is MN. Then MN is bigger side minus a smaller side divided by 2. Then Mn comes out to be bigger side minus a smaller side divided by 2. Now, Mn is given as 3.4. DC they are asking, AB is given as 15.6. 6.8 is equal to DC minus 15.6. Add, DC comes out to be 22.4. Few other things you can also write it down. That the length of this midpoints of the diagonal, then the length of the joining of this midpoint of the diagonal is DC minus AB divided by 2. There can be one more question from here. There can be one more question from here, which is about if X and Y are the midpoints of the non-parallel sides. If X and Y are the midpoints of the non-parallel sides, what is XY? If X and Y are the midpoint of the non-parallel sides, what is XY? That is AB plus DC divided by 2. AB plus DC divided by 2. If X and Y are the midpoint of the non-parallel sides, then XY can also be found out AB plus DC divided by 2. One more question which you might have not seen till now, which can come up is this. Which can come up is this. That would be very new for most of you. The ultimate level we are going to touch. The ultimate level we are going to touch. AB 10, DC 20. XY is a parallel line to DC. XY is a parallel line to DC. It divides the ratio AD in the ratio 2:3. Find out the length of X. The ultimate of this. The ultimate of this. Yeah, Harshit, I was coming to that point. I was coming to that point only. XY is the line parallel. XY is a line parallel. Okay. Wow. Weighted average. You have learned the weighted average with me? You might have. A1x1 plus A2x2 upon A1 plus A2. Cross multiply. 2 into 20, 3 into 10, divide by 2 plus 3. 70 by 5, 40. Perfect. Cross multiply. 2 into 20 plus 3 into 10, 70, divide by 5. Divide by 5. From this concept only, that midpoint concept has come. From this point only, the concept of midpoint has come. Because this was 1:1. This was 1:1 in case of midpoint. So 1 into 20, 1 into 10, 20 plus 10, divide by 1 plus 1, 2. 50. So now it would not be problem to you. Now it would not be problem to you whether you have to divide in different ratio or whether you have to divide it in a, what do you say, midpoint. Clear? Perfect. We are running towards the last questions. Yeah. We are running toward the last questions. After this, guys, I will take mensuration sessions, and in those mensuration sessions, again, some geometry questions will keep on coming and some mensuration questions will keep on coming. So you will never ever feel like getting out of the practice, because we are, as you can see, we are dealing very important questions in the perspective of means. We are dealing very important questions in the perspective of means. Yeah. AC and BD intersect at O. Yeah. O. AC and BD intersect at O. Let M and N be the points on AB such that AO is equal to OM. Guys, can I say the diagonal of a square is the angle bisector as well? 100%, yeah. The diagonal of a square is the angle bisector as well. Not in other case, but in case of a square. In case of a square, diagonal is the angle bisector as well. Diagonal is the angle bisector as well. Okay. In case of a square, diagonal is an angle bisector as well. Whether the diagonal would be an angle bisector or not, it would be decided. It would be decided by whether these sides are equal or not. So, in case of rectangle, would it be or not? In case of rectangle, whether the diagonal would be angle bisector as well or not? Come on, tell me. In case of rectangle, whether the diagonal would be angle bisector or not? No. Sides are not equal. In case of parallelogram, no. In case of rhombus, yes. So diagonal would be angle bisector. In that case when these two adjacent sides are equal. Okay. Great. So 45 AO is equal to AM. AO is equal to AM. After 45, how much is remaining? 135. Divide into two equal parts. 67.5, 67.5. Similarly, BO is equal to BN. This is 45. These two sides are equal. 67.5, 67.5. 67.5, 67.1, 135, this is 45. So angle MON is 45, which is taken as theta. So tan theta, tan 45. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to end up this session, guys. It's almost only a single minute is remaining. Another faculty is going to come soon. Otherwise, I'm in a mood of taking a lot of other questions as well. No worries, we will take it in a later session. Just do one thing before going. Do not forget to like the session, share it to your friends, write it down all the important information, and then do join me in the next session, which is going to happen tomorrow at the same time on the same channel, Exampur Prep channel, guys, at 1 p.m. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Goodbye.